Jen! Kagwapa, oy. Asa man ang celebrante? Ako!
Heavenly Father, as the sun sets and the stars shine above us, we come before you with grateful hearts, lifting up with a special night in thanksgiving and adoration. Lord, you are the giver of life, the source of all blessings, and the one who has walked with us through every moment. Tonight, we gather in celebration of Maria Tricia Micaela's 80th birthday, a milestone that marks her journey into adulthood. We praise and adore you, O Lord, for your faithfulness and love. You have guided Micaela.
We have Chelsea here. Ayan ate, good evening. And how are you tonight? Anyway, Chelsea, as the younger sister of Mika, how would you describe your ate? And how grateful are you to have her as your sister? Wala bang palakpakan dyan for Chelsea, madlang people?
I would say my sister is very kind and sweet to everyone, and I'm so grateful to have her as my sister.
Pura maglagdali kasi ang she's very kind and very sweet. So again, palakpakan po natin madlang people. We have Chelsea here. Ayan, nakit ka na ate. And now, let's make way for... Wala ba mga hiyawan dyan para kay Daddy, madlang people? Ayan. Okay, so, muna magnagya po sa basketball court sa Daddy. Muna magmasa Star Award. Ayan. Good evening, Mami. Ayan, parang ikaw po yung nagdibo ngayon, Mami. Anyway, Mami Jen, kumusta po yung experience sa tawag ng tanghalan mo? Hindi, joke lang po, Mami. You look very gorgeous tonight. And, Mami, ano po ba yung personal message mo po sa lahat?
Hindi ko na masyado habaan kasi alam kong gutom na yung iba dyan. Actually, later na.
Well, mas malakas ang palakpakan hiyawan dyan, mga people. Maria Tricia Micaela Elfrid. Ayan, so dito na yung napakita natin debutan mga people wearing a beautiful gown.
Good evening. Welcome to my debut. I would like to thank our lovely makeup artist, Mutya.
Wala ba pakpakan dyan mga people?
I would like to thank the person who made this debut possible, my lovely parents, and also Kai Cheng. I hope that you will enjoy my debut, and thank you all for coming.
palakpakan po natin. Okay? So, one more time, Mika. Ayan, I would like to invite the family of Mika to stand beside her. Ayan. So, Mika, unahin muna natin kay Chelsea. What is your personal message for your beautiful sister? Thank you so much, Sir Eddie. Again, malabi pa pala po natin Mr. Eddie Delphine. Coming up next, we have Mr. Mark John Maganda. Another cute girl.
Patuyo ka po siya, ma'am. Patuyo ka po siya, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Mark John. Now let's go to Mr. Ephraim.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can't be turned away.
An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless morning just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where
The father and daughter dance is probably one of the most loved traditions in any Filipino debut celebration. This signifies the daughter's first step to womanhood and the father's acceptance of this period in his daughter's life. So once again, madlang people, a round of applause for Mika and Daddy Ed.
Namibigay ka outfit ni para sa pag-ibig. Pwede ba makita mo na?
Ay, mami, side view na tayo, mami. Side view tayo.
Hindi mo dyan.
Happy birthday, Mika.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Mika, happy birthday. Nakita. Kumapakay ka ba?
Kaya nga po.
Masalamat ko nga yapot ka sa birthday ni mga 18 years old. Tapos, pag-college
Opo, kayang
na.
gown ay.
College na. Salamat sa ginawa kong Mika. Salamat, salamat.
Murag second father kana maging kana si tao kana ang muna akong wish na maging strong lang yun as you go along sa imong kinabuhi. And as always katong istorya ka ganina nga si Mika is a charming lady na karon. So kana happy birthday and walang to script, wala ko kabalo sa aming Instagram kay kanang kuan lang random lang pagpili ni Sir. So thank you so much Pre, thank you sa pag-invite.
Kaya palakpakan po natin ang inyong pinag-salaman. And to complete, madam people, let's make way for Happy Birthday! celebrate your 80th milestone.
Stay big and your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and you and wants the same thing too. Yeah, that's my message. And Mika, and always think positive, never the negative. And I love you as my favorite cousin, and thank you for always being there for me. And I wish you the best.
Kaya wala bang palakpakan dyan mga people for Eliza. Okay, coming up next, let's call in our fourth candle, Stephanie Fernandez. I don't know what. Somebody else.
Kong, ayaw ko.